Good evening, everyone. Yeah, I just want, my name is Lani Nasayao, and I'm the sole agent of Salad Master here in Hong Kong. And I really like natural products. That's why I want this propolis. So I just want to share the experience. Last week, we have a meeting, and one of the person keep coughing and coughing. So I give her like to try this propolis, and after like 5 minutes she told me that oh, it's really good, this product. And after that, she bought 10 bottles of Meta Propolis. And even myself, when I have a headache and over fatigue, so I have my sore throat is very itchy, and also my daughter have a cough, so we try this. And yeah, exactly, just like putting within 5 minutes is already gone. So that's how can I say the propolis very good and very effective.